question third, the degree of unsaturation. The degree of unsaturation is equal to the number of rings plus number of pi bonds. So triple bond contributes to du, means degree of unsaturation. So count the rings. Benzene ring is there, cyclohexane ring is there, and cyclohexane ring is there. So total 3 rings are there. Count pi bonds. Benzene ring, there are 3 pi bonds. So contribution is 3. One alkene side chain, there is a 1 pi bond. So contribution is 1. And in one alkene in lower ring, the 1 pi bond is there. So contribution is 1. Carboxylic acid, carbonyl, there is a 1 pi bond and the contribution is 1. In one alkyne, the triple bond means 2 du is there. So the contribution is 2. The total rings are 3. Pi bond contributions are 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. So we get the answer 8. Therefore, du is equal to 3 rings plus 8 pi bond is equal to 11. So option D is correct. If you found these GOC important questions helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sampada's Learning Hub.